Looking for a simple yet addictive brain challenge? Today we're checking out my slider puzzle, a clean and fun puzzle game available on the Microsoft Store. This app brings the classic sliding tile puzzle right to your screen. The goal is simple: rearrange the scrambled tiles to complete the picture, but it's trickier than it looks. You can slide tiles one by one into the empty space, trying to restore the original image. It sounds easy until you realize every move matters. What makes this app interesting is the variety of difficulty levels. Start with smaller grids if you're a beginner, and work your way up to more complex puzzles that really test your logic and patience. Want an extra challenge? As you move the puzzle pieces, sliding them up, down, left, or right, the timer keeps counting as shown in the My Time label. Each move you make is also recorded and added to the Moves label. This way, you can track how long you've been working on the puzzle and how many moves you've used. Try solving the puzzle in the fewest moves possible, or beat your best time. And when you successfully complete the puzzle, a message box will pop up to congratulate you. Once you click the OK button, boom, confetti starts falling down across your screen. A super satisfying way to celebrate your win. Themes. My slider puzzle also comes with a lot of great themes you can choose from as your puzzle background. To pick a theme, just click on the More Themes button. This will open the settings page. From there, click on the Themes selection box and you'll see a full list of backgrounds to choose from, like dog, nature, snow, flowers, farm field, number, Christmas, lunar, spring, architecture, space, and animals. Plenty of options to keep your puzzles looking fresh and fun. Let me show you how it looks in action. Select Nature from the selection box, then head back to the game board. And just like that, you'll see the theme come to life. That is an amazing theme, the maple leaf as puzzle background. Now, let me show you the snow theme. The snow theme shows a beautiful forest with a road blanketed in snow. Next up, let's check out the flowers theme. Look at all those sunflowers. With so many similar pieces, this theme can be a bit tricky, making it a great challenge for you. Now, let's move on and check out the farm field theme. Check out that blue sky and the green grains growing in the field, so peaceful. Next, let's take a look at the numbers theme. This one is perfect for beginners. It helps you practice and learn tricks for placing the puzzle pieces in the correct spots. Each piece has its own number, so the solution is simple. The first row is 1, 2, 3. The second row is 4, 5, 6, and the last row is 7, 8. Let's check out the first Christmas theme. When you see this theme, you can really feel the Christmas vibe with all the presents and the Christmas tree. But wait, there's more Christmas fun. Let's check out the next theme. Check out the Red Army Soldier Nutcracker Christmas toy, so amazing. Now, let's move on to the next Christmas theme. In this puzzle, you can see a decorative Christmas door wreath, so festive. Now, let's check out the last Christmas theme. You can see a Christmas beanie hat in this theme. Next up, let's check out the first lunar theme. In this lunar theme, you can see a majestic red dragon, a symbol of strength, luck, and celebration in lunar traditions. Next, we'll explore the lunar lamp theme, another beautiful design that captures the festive spirit and bright decorations of the lunar celebration. Next up, we have the Lunar New Year fireworks theme. Here, you can see everyone watching the fireworks from the top of a building, enjoying the dazzling display and festive atmosphere together. Next, the final lunar theme. Here you see the red envelope with some gold coins coming out of it. Now, let us choose a different theme, the spring theme. You see the beautiful green tree with some flowers and a blue sky with a rainbow above. Now, on to the next spring theme, full of sunny colors and a variety of blooming flowers. Next up, the spring theme features a deep red background adorned with tulips. The last spring theme has a pink background with pink flowers around it, along with bees and a bird. Next up is the architecture theme. Let's take a look at the first design. And now, the second architecture theme. Next, we move on to the third architecture theme. Finally, here is the last architecture theme. Now, let's move on to a different theme, space. Let's move on to the next theme. This is another space theme, where you can see the Earth. Next, we have a theme featuring a man on Mars. The last space theme features an astronaut in orbit. Now, let's check out the animal theme. The first one is a giraffe. The next theme features a monkey. Next up, we see an image of a rhino. Finally, the last image of the animal theme features a tiger. By default, your puzzle is 3 times 3 pieces, but you can increase it to 4 by 4 pieces. This makes the puzzle a bit more challenging. Windows 11 widget. You can also add my slider puzzle to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select My Slider Puzzle from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. And that's it. You now know how to use the My Slider Puzzle Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.